Hello, am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible and visible. Hi Monica, how are you
Yes.
doing?
Yes, I'm doing good. What about you?
Yeah, I am doing great, and I was doing some work, and then
Mhm.
yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay. So you don't have weekends?
Yeah, I have weekends, but I left some work and it's pending, and I have to submit it tomorrow. So I was managing it, and then suddenly I got a
Oh,
reminder of my Clapingo session, and I joined it.
right, right, right. Okay. Hmm. Right. So yes, do you have any idea about today's topic?
No, I didn't get time to see it actually.
That's okay. Fine, no issues. So yes, just a second. Yeah, today's topic is about friendship. It's about
Wow,
friendship.
yeah, it's a great topic.
Yes, 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 it is indeed. So, what quality do you value the most in your friends and why?
Loyalty. Uh,
And why is
I
it?
am a kind of social media influencer, and I have so many like subscribers, followers. But out of them, whenever I need someone the most, only 2 to 3 people will be there for me always. So I think loyalty is the first thing I value in a friendship. It's like give and take. We should be there for them when they need it the most, and it's vice versa. So that's the first thing. And of course, they will be there in our good and bad times.
Hmm. Hmm. Correct. Correct. Right. So, yes, you just said that you are a social media influencer. So,
Yes.
by what name are you on social media?
Uh, so I have two YouTube channels. One is like with my own name, Shivatma Chennai, and another one is Engineered Shiva.
Oh, so what do you actually, what kind of content do you create?
On my name channel, I make English speaking contents, and currently I am posting Clapingo videos. But before this, I used to post my podcast with great influencers, entrepreneurs, millionaires all over the world. And currently, since I'm really busy with my work, I'm only posting Clapingo videos because I'm able to make time for this 15 minutes
Hmm.
to improve my
Oh,
communication skills as well as I will get some content.
hmm. Right, right. So, do you consider yourself as a good friend? Why not?
Uh, I consider myself a good friend definitely because today there was a scenario where my friend needed my bike and it was an emergency and I needed it, but still I prioritized his need
Prioritized.
because yeah, pronunciation, how to pronunciate it correctly? Prioritize.
Pronounce it correctly, not pronunciate. Okay, this is
Okay,
the second time
how
I'm hearing this word. How to pronounce this word? How
how
to
to
pronounce?
pronounce
Okay.
this word?
Hmm. Prioritize. Prioritize.
Prioritize.
Yes.
Prioritize. Prioritize.
Prioritize.
Prioritize.
Right? So
Prioritize.
whenever you
Yes.
actually have to, pronounce a certain word which seems difficult to you, so always break it into two or three, and then combine it as you kind of speak to yourself again and again. So prioritize. You should go slow,
Prioritize.
and then
Prioritize.
you should combine it.
Yeah. I wanted to prioritize his need.
Good. Yes. Hmm. Hmm. And now, okay, this is a very interesting question. Why is it interesting? It shouldn't be an interesting question, actually. What is the best way to meet friends? Meet your friends or meet new friends. New friends has become a quite easy concept these days. But what is the best way to meet your old friends has become a question mark in everyone's life, right? Why? Because can you tell me the reasons why?
Like meeting my old friend.
Yes, meeting old friends.
It is because at some point of life we will be in a similar thing. Let's take it let's take an example from my PU to my engineering. Then there was school. So in all these three phases, I had different set of friends whom we
Hmm.
thought we will spend the rest of our life. But after school, we lost those friends. We thought it would be difficult, but it wasn't. Then in PU, we again felt in 2 years how we will live without these people. We can't, and we cried in the end. After that, in engineering, 4 years, I thought it is not possible. Again, how we will live without these friends. But still, out of those few people who work in companies which are nearby me, we are still in touch. So these people have been part of my life, but rest of them, I try to make time, but for everyone, making time is not worth it. Some people, they themselves put effort. Some people whom I think I put effort. So it's kind of two-way. It's not just one-way effort thing. So in the end, friendship is about give and take. Even if we agree it or not, it's kind of give and take. So other than family, yeah, I think in only the family who gives without expecting anything to take.
To be very honest, actually, only the parents are the ones who do not expect anything from you. Other
Exactly.
than
That's
that,
yeah.
every other relation, whether that's your wife, that's your husband, that's your friend, that's your sister, brother, siblings, whoever you are,
I
right?
didn't mention that. Okay, like I was about to mention relationship, but I stopped myself from saying that.
No, that's a common thing.
Yeah.
That's a general thing. That's like something like a law of nature we have. So that's bound to happen. It does happen like that. We cannot deny this fact, although we try to. But yes, we shouldn't deny. There is always a give and take in every relationship, right? Except parents. Parents never expect anything from you. Hmm. Right, right. So of course, yes. If I talk about why is it difficult to meet, I was just saying. So why is it difficult to meet our old friends? Because of time constraints. Of course, everyone is so occupied in their
Yes.
life. No
Yes.
one,
And
anyone
it's
has
kind of
hardly any
it's kind
time.
of awkward. It's kind of awkward to say that we are busy. Like
Yeah,
agree it or not, we will make time for people who matter to us actually.
yeah, that is true. Our priorities change, like you said. Prioritize.
Yes.
We then prioritize something else. We prioritize career. We prioritize the money, the wealth that we want to build up, the career that we were imagining and about we were working hard about. So yes, it does take a backseat. Friendship does take a backseat when we explain, imagine this in our life. Yes, that is true, and that is bound to happen. Not
Even
just
during a relationship, our best friends feel that we are neglecting them. It's a kind of even trickier concept to maintain best friend and
hmm.
girlfriend.
Best friend and girlfriend. That's true. That's true. So, do you face a problem with that?
Yeah,
I suppose
sometimes.
you do. Why is it a problem, actually?
Uh, like you cannot ignore both.
Okay, okay, fine. Yes. What are the most common reasons for friendships to fall apart and why?
So our priorities change, our thinking sometimes evolves,
Hmm.
or we get into some bad habits,
Hmm.
or uh, or our friends might get into bad habit, and we don't want to go in that track. such times we will try to bring them out of those track, and if they still didn't, we will like uh, stay away from them. Even that's one case. And sometimes when a person comes into relationship, even that time that person separates from us. And sometimes if location changes, sometimes friendship
Hmm.
changes, and sometimes if connectivity ends, friendship
Hmm.
ends.
Hmm.
And there are some friends who, even if you call after months, years, they
Hmm.
will speak to you just like you met them yesterday.
Hmm.
So it's kind of complicated stuff, but it's kind of interesting as well. And
Correct.
man is a social animal, and we need friends.
Hmm. Yes, of course. Of course. That is true. So apt. Yes, actually. And in most of the cases, it is because that the cities change, the work changes, the careers change, the path changes. So we are bound to actually fall apart in terms of talking to each other and yes, spending time with each other. So yeah, it does happen. Hmm. So are you the kind of one who makes friend easily, or you take time to mingle with people?
I'm a kind of person who makes friends really easily, but uh, I do not honestly open up with them. They will think that I am their closest friend, and they never met someone like me. But me internally, I do not honestly open up with them. I'm still thinking whether to trust them or not.
Hmm. Okay.
So I
Okay.
have so
I
many
want you
friends
to
because of my
pronounce a
nature.
certain word. Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
Please go on. Please go on
No, no,
first.
like because of this nature, I have so many friends, but out of that, only 3 to 4 who are who I can call as genuine.
Okay. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. Fine. I'll just write a word down. I want you to pronounce that word.
Yes. Honestly. It's
It's
honestly.
not.
H is silent.
Yeah. Yeah.
Honestly.
Yes. But you're honestly, you're saying it, pronouncing it honestly, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Honestly. Honestly. Yes.
Honestly. Honestly.
Right. 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 Hmm. Right. Okay. Fine. Yes. Do you idolize any celebrity friendship you wish you had been friends with a certain celebrity? Life would have been so better. Do you idealize something like that?
Yeah, I want to be close friend with Ranveer Albadia or Sandeep Maheshwari.
Who is Ranveer? Alabadia. Okay, okay, yes.
He is the
Right, right,
founder
right.
of Beer Bicep.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Correct, correct. Sometimes I forget his name because the
Yeah.
content name is so popular. His channel name is so popular. I often forget what his name is. I often recollect his name is Beer Biceps. Beer Biceps.
Yes.
Yes, yes. Hmm. Yeah. Right. He is an all-rounder, but I must say. I mean, Sandeep
Yeah.
Maheshwari, yes, of course, is an idol for most of the youth, especially. I do understand, but because he speaks about various topics, but the kind of content that Beer Biceps comes up with in their,
He is the Gen
videos,
Z. He's a Gen Z guy.
yeah, we can say that. Yes,
And
he
do you
just
know,
explores each and everything.
recently
Hmm.
there was a podcast where Sandeep Maheshwari and Ranveer Albadia did together, and that was my ideal podcast. I rewatched it so many times because there are two of my ideal mentors who I aspired to be like.
Hmm. Okay. Wow, that's great. Right. And if a movie was made about you and your friends, what would it be called and what would be it about?
Uh, I wouldn't be as successful as I am today if it was not for you. So this will be the title. I understand it's long. I can't make it short.
It's yeah, it's pretty long. There should be something shorter. Okay,
Okay, you
fine.
go.
Of course, it takes.
Yeah, it's really hard to make it short.
Hmm. Yeah. Yeah, it's difficult. I do understand. But tell me, what would it be about? Okay, let's not talk about the movie's name, but tell me at least what would it be about?
Uh, it would be about a time where I didn't believe in friendship exists without any selfish dates. But because of that person's certain actions during during the time when I needed that person, not that person, I needed some help to get out of that situation. So only that person helped me out of it, and that's how he got close to me.
Oh,
So it's
that's
about
great.
showing
Hmm.
that
Okay.
a friendship exists, that selflessness exists,
Hmm.
maybe something like that. Yeah.
Hmm. Right.
And
So
I
he
want to
was with
dedicate
you as
and I want to tell his name. It's
hmm.
Rakshan.
Okay. 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 And how long have you been friends now?
It's more than 10 years.
Okay. Okay. Right. So you people are thick as thieves now. There's
Yes,
a this thing idiom. It is called thick as thieves. To be thick as thieves,
thickest thieves.
right? It means you are
Thickest
very
thieves.
close to each other.